Good morning, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the analyst and trader you can find at the blog FibonacciStalking.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the @FibStalker nickname. Good morning, today is Friday, November the 16th, 2012, and it's 15 to 10 a.m. Italian time. I want to remind you that Italian time zone is GMT +1. This is a review for the euro-dollar. What you see on the screen is the daily chart of the EuroFX continuous contract aligned to the December expiration. This futures contract is traded on the CME, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. You will remember in the last few days that and weeks that we identified this first level of resistance, which started a sequence of measured move with a resistance and short setup in 130.20, which reached the first target in 28.30 and the second target in 27.30. This sequence identified an important anchor, which is the 128.87 level, and we were using this level to identify the next resistance. Yesterday we used this level for a short setup, but as we can see, price initially reacted to this level and then violated the 128.03 on the upside, which decreed the end of this move lower and the failure of this short setup. So at the moment we know that this sequence of measured move lower, this trend lower has been interrupted, is completed, so we are expecting a new move higher to start. The level that I have indicated here, the 126.68 level, acted as a support on Wednesday, so during this week. Now, this level is not obtained by tracing the measured move from the bottom of this wing here, but it is traced from this level, so we identified it by observation. The important point is that this level on the spot market is a very important level, and I do not have time to show it now, but I'm going to show this on the weekly review for the euro-dollar. So if you subscribe my newsletter, you're going to get the video where I explain why this level 126.70 it's or could be an important level. So at the moment, that's what we have. We have this support level. It doesn't mean that the level that we were observing, we were monitoring so far, which is the 126.20 level. That is the level where I would expect support and participation from the professional traders and program trading will not trade. In fact, we have three different scenarios at the moment. There is one level that we are going to watch, and that's the 127.40. That's a setup, a long setup with a stop below 127.18, and if price comes to this area and level and bounces, that would be the start of the move higher. So it's very important then to monitor this 127.20 level, because if price gets below it, then two more scenarios open up, and the first scenario would be a retest of this 126.68 level that we saw here, but the price could also continue lower. So a second scenario could be that price breaks the 126.70 and gets to the 126.20 area, which is a support area, and in that case, even if price gets lower, this move lower has anyway failed, so it means this trend failed. So it's just a matter of time when the new trend higher will resume. We just don't know exactly where this is going to happen, so whether this is going to be 127.40 or the 126.70 or the 126.20, and it will partially depend on whether price is able to so bulls are able to defend this level 127.20. I hope this update is useful. Clearly the trading plan for the euro-dollar change changed slightly due to the fact that yesterday we had the failure of this level, but the good news is that a new move higher is about to start. We just don't know exactly well. And if you watch my video, my weekly review this weekend, I'm going to send with my newsletter, you'll also get an explanation of why this 126.70 level is important. If you want to subscribe to my newsletter, just go to my website fibonaccistalking.com, and on the left side there is an image, and you can click on it and register for the newsletter. I wish you a very good day. Thank you for your attention. I look forward to see you on my fibonaccistalking.com blog, and have a great day. Bye bye.